I'm John Gardner. I'm managing partner at Nokia Growth Partners. We're the venture capital investing arm for Nokia. Well, I'm really excited to be here. We take a thematic approach to the investing that we do and have been very actively invested and active in collaborating with different business units in location-based services on one hand and digital advertising, marketing, analytics, and the whole indoor location piece of this is what actually creates an opportunity to connect the two together and unlock a huge opportunity from a driving offline to online to offline transactions. Creates a convergence which is really going to unlock the huge opportunity that exists in driving offline to online transactions. I think there's going to be a couple of key catalysts. I think that at this juncture, it's a complicated value chain that has to be pulled together, and there still are key technology components. I think that's why you're seeing a conference like this. Why this is now coming together is a lot of those key technology pieces are now being solved for. I don't think it's going to be one single silver bullet solution to that, but it's going to be a multiple things. Whether it is Wi-Fi, where it is beacons, whether it is low power Bluetooth. All those things are going to end up creating a sufficient infrastructure in the store to create the ability to really track and interact with the customer at retail. I really think we're on the cusp. Looking in the rear view, it was before. It was technology looking for a solution, trying to sell that into retail. Going forward, I think, again, for the reasons we talked before about being able to solve for some of these technology issues, that technology companies are starting to understand how to sell to retailers, and that's made all the difference in the world. I think there's a lot of education has to go on. It's probably helpful. Clearly there's the privacy conversation that's been created, but I think that solves for itself. No different in physical retail in the way that's been a constant dialogue and conversation in digital advertising online. So it is an issue. It's important, but it will be solved for. And the other thing is just it is understanding the difference between promotional opportunities, direct to consumer, engaging with a consumer loyalty engagement at retail, and then some of the more operationally focused back-end more merchandise-oriented data analytics and things of that nature. And it's really two separate conversations. In the near term, those things are going to move forward both somewhat independently. Of course, the holy grail is a little bit further down the road when you can merge those two things together.